staying fit with fitness trackers in your daily life? Do you want to improve your fitness and lead a more active lifestyle? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we introduce you to fitness trackers, small devices that can help you keep track of your physical activities and improve your health. We show you the different types of fitness trackers, how they work, and the benefits they can offer you. You'll learn how to use them to achieve your fitness goals and how they can help you lead a healthier and more active life. So sit back, relax, and let's find out together how fitness trackers can help you stay fit and healthy. By the way, if you're interested in one of the fitness trackers we'll be showing later, you can find links to the products on Amazon in the video description. There, you can get more information about the fitness trackers and even buy them directly. We appreciate every click and also support our channel. If you're looking to buy a fitness tracker, there are some important factors to consider. Before we introduce you to the best fitness trackers, we'll show you what to look for when buying fitness trackers. 1. Features. Make sure the fitness tracker has all the features you need. Think about what activities you want to monitor, such as counting steps, measuring distance, calculating calorie burn, or monitoring sleep. Some fitness trackers also offer GPS, heart rate monitoring, and waterproof features. 2. Compatibility. Check if the fitness tracker is compatible with your smartphone or operating system. Many fitness trackers require an app to be fully functional. 3. Battery life. Check the battery life of the fitness tracker. Some have a longer lifespan than others, and it can be very frustrating to have to constantly recharge the tracker. 4. Design and comfort. Make sure the fitness tracker is comfortable to wear and matches your style. Some are designed as wristbands or clips, while others are available in the form of watches. It's important that you feel comfortable wearing it and like the way it looks. 5. Price. Compare the prices of different fitness trackers to find the best deal. Keep in mind that higher-priced models often offer more features and better quality, but there are also affordable options that can still be useful. By considering these factors, you can ensure that you buy a fitness tracker that meets your needs and helps you achieve your fitness goals. Samsung has launched a new fitness tracker called the Galaxy Fit2, which boasts a sleek design and a 1.1 inches AMOLED color display. The device is waterproof and has a battery life of up to 21 days. The fitness tracker can record your sleep habits, measure your stress level, and give you tips to improve your well-being. The Galaxy Fit2 can automatically detect and track your daily activities in up to 5 different workouts, recording time, heart rate, and calories burned. You can connect the Galaxy Fit2 to your Galaxy smartphone to read notifications directly on the fitness tracker and send preset responses. The device is capable of recording your sleep habits and giving you tips for adjustment. The results can be viewed in the Samsung Health app. The stress level can also be measured automatically, allowing you to perform breathing exercises in stressful moments. The display of the Galaxy Fit2 was measured diagonally in the full rectangle without the rounded corners. The actual display area may be slightly smaller due to the rounding. The Galaxy Fit2 can remind you to wash your hands at regular intervals and offers a countdown for thorough cleaning, contributing to a high level of hygiene. Compared to other models, the Galaxy Fit2 offers a longer battery life of up to 21 days, a larger display area, and the ability to automatically detect and track up to 5 different workouts. The Galaxy Fit2 is also waterproof and offers sleep analysis and stress measurement. Connecting to a Galaxy smartphone enables you to read notifications directly on the fitness tracker and send preset responses. Follow the link in the video description if you're interested in this fitness tracker and its current price. We continue with the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band fitness tracker and activity tracker. This product features an AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation tracking, sleep monitoring, heart rate measurement, notifications, step counter, and is waterproof up to 5 ATM. It is compatible with the Mi Fit app and has a battery life of up to 14 days. Compared to the previous model, the Mi Smart Band 5, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band fitness tracker and activity tracker has a larger full-screen display measuring 1.56 inches. This is a 49% increase in size and has a resolution of 326 ppi for even clearer images and text. The device offers 30 different workout modes to track your heart rate and calorie consumption, including Pilates and Zumba. Additionally, it provides health monitoring through SpO2 tracking to detect important blood oxygen saturation levels for your health. The Xiaomi Mi Smart Band fitness tracker also has a sleep monitoring function that can record the REM phase, daily naps, and the quality of sleep breathing. It also offers daily heart rate monitoring and an antibacterial Ag Plus band. The TPU material inside the strap contains antibacterial Ag+ agents to protect the skin from germs. The device offers a battery life of up to 14 days with standard use and can be easily charged with a magnetic charger. It is also waterproof up to 5 ATM, meaning it can withstand depths of up to 50 meters. There are some differences between the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band fitness tracker and activity tracker and other models on the market. One of the main differences is the size of the AMOLED display, which is 1.56 inches in this model. Additionally, it has SpO2 tracking and improved sleep monitoring compared to previous models. The design is good and features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, and stress monitoring are helpful. However, the battery life did not meet the advertised 12 days, dropping to 15% after just 4 days. Overall, I would recommend the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band fitness tracker and activity tracker because it offers many useful features, such as health monitoring through SpO2 tracking and sleep monitoring. It is also waterproof and offers a long battery life. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is distinguished by its sporty modern design, made of robust titanium and sapphire glass. This gives it a timeless and high-quality look that goes with any outfit. Of particular interest are the special features for outdoor sports enthusiasts, such as planning routes on a PC and importing them as GPX files to the smartwatch. If you deviate from the planned route, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will safely guide you back to the route or starting point. Direction changes can be communicated through vibration or voice command. The smartwatch is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, making it suitable for use in the rain or moisture. But the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is not just for athletes. It also captures fitness and wellness data in daily life and helps you understand it. This includes measuring pulse and heart rate, an advanced algorithm for evaluating sleep quality, a cycle monitor, intelligent fall detection, and a meaningful BIA analysis. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is powered by Google Wearables powered by Samsung, providing access to a wide app ecosystem for almost any need. The battery lasts up to 80 hours before needing to be charged, thanks to quick charging technology. Just a few minutes of charging provides energy for hours of use. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has a rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars on Amazon. One customer complains that the blood pressure function needs to be set up with a proper blood pressure monitor every month. Otherwise, the customer is very satisfied with the smartwatch. Personally, I find the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro very successful, especially the sporty modern design and special features for outdoor sports enthusiasts. The capture of fitness and wellness data is also very practical in everyday life. The only small disadvantage could be the blood pressure function, but this is certainly not a decisive criterion for purchasing. Overall, I can definitely recommend the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, especially for athletes and people who want to maintain an active and conscious lifestyle. The price of €366.0 is not cheap, but appropriate for a smartwatch with these features and design. The link for it, like for all other trackers, can be found in the video description for you. Fitbit Charge 5. The Fitbit Charge 5 activity tracker comes with a 6-month premium membership, up to 7 days of battery life, and a daily readiness score. Let's start with the basics. The Fitbit Charge 5 is an activity tracker that is designed to help you lead a healthier life. It has a variety of features to help you achieve your fitness goals. The tracker is waterproof up to 50 meters deep and has a battery life of up to 7 days, making it ideal for daily use. One of the most important features of the Charge 5 is the daily readiness score. This score gives you an overview of your physical and mental state based on your heart rate, sleep quality, and physical activity. This allows you to adjust your daily activities accordingly and reach your fitness goals faster. Another highlight of the Charge 5 is the built-in GPS, which allows you to track and analyze your activities such as running, hiking, and cycling accurately. With the movement reminders, you will also be reminded when you have been sitting for too long or not moving enough. The continuous heart rate monitoring gives you an accurate picture of your heart rate during the day and night. The tracker also offers automatic activity tracking, which automatically records and analyzes your activities such as steps, distance, and calories burned. There are a total of 20 training modes and a training intensity map to help you optimize your workouts and improve your performance. Another highlight of the Charge 5 is the free 6-month Fitbit Premium membership worth €53.94. With Fitbit Premium, you have access to even more features and tools to help you achieve your fitness goals. These include personalized training programs, detailed sleep analysis, and much more. The tracker is also smart and notifies you of incoming calls and messages. With the always-on display mode, you can keep an eye on the time and important information at all times. The Charge 5 is compatible with iOS 14 Plus and Android OS 8 Plus and also supports Google Fast Pair and Fitbit Pay. Now let's talk about the differences from other models. Compared to its predecessor, the Fitbit Charge 4, the Charge 5 has a larger display and a longer battery life. It is also equipped with a daily readiness score and an always-on display mode. Compared to the Fitbit Versa 3, the Charge 5 does not have a built-in microphone or voice control, but it is smaller and more compact. Polar Ignite 3 Fitness and Wellness Smartwatch. The Polar Ignite 3 is a fitness and wellness smartwatch with GPS, sleep analysis, AMOLED display, 24/7 activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, personalized training programs, and real-time voice guidance. It is a high-quality and advanced watch suitable for fitness enthusiasts and anyone looking to improve their health. An outstanding feature of the Polar Ignite 3 is its high-resolution AMOLED touchscreen, which can display all data and measurement parameters in bright and vivid colors. There are also customizable widgets for quick access to calories, steps, heart rate, music control, and more. The display is very clear and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The watch provides holistic analysis for better sleep and more attention during the day. In the morning, a complete analysis of nighttime recovery and a forecast of attention levels during the day are displayed. This feature can be very useful for optimizing your own sleep rhythm and planning your day. Heart rate monitoring is done through advanced optical technology and a dual-frequency GPS system, which allows for highly accurate pulse and activity measurement 24/7. The watch is very lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it wearable throughout the day and night. Fitness apps and coaching are available at any time, offering personalized guidance and daily training suggestions tailored to your fitness level and daily condition. There is also real-time voice guidance that provides polar flow feedback during workouts through headphones or smartphone speakers. The Polar Ignite 3 stands out from other models due to its precision and reliability in measuring heart rate and activity, as well as its personalized training suggestions and real-time voice guidance. It also provides very accurate sleep analysis and a forecast of attention levels during the day. Overall, the Polar Ignite 3 is a high-quality and advanced smartwatch suitable for fitness enthusiasts and anyone looking to improve their health. It is easy to use, offers many useful features, and is very accurate in measuring heart rate, activity, and sleep. At a price of €299.9, it may not be the cheapest model on the market, but it is worth the money. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video about fitness trackers. I hope you learned something new and are now better informed to find the right product for you. Whether you choose the Samsung Galaxy Fit2, Xiaomi Mi Smart Band, Samsung Galaxy Watch5 Pro, Fitbit Charge 5, or Polar Ignite 3, the choice is yours and depends on your individual needs. If you liked the video, feel free to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel to see more exciting videos about fitness and health. And while you're at it, why not buy a fitness tracker and take your fitness journey to the next level? You can find links to all the trackers in the video description. Thank you and see you next time.